dreamer.
Hey everybody! Sorry that was obnoxious and a little loud. I'll try not to let that happen again. Hey there everybody! Anyway, I'm leaving my brother's house this morning up at 4,800 feet above sea level, and I'm heading over to my grandparents' house today. My grandpa wants me to clean out his chimney for him and do a little bit of tree work. So I'm going over there to do that for them. I don't have a top hat, you know, to wear while I clean out the chimney. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chim tree. La 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 lee. But I'm going to be a chimney sweep today. That's why I sung that little song to you. You can name the movie that song is from. As usual, you will receive 1,000 cool points. I didn't do anything to my hair this morning, in case you were wondering. It looks beautiful, right? I really wanted to go hiking to the top of the mountain today because today is the most beautiful day. It's like 65 degrees today. The sun is out. It's amazing. It's March and it's like sunny. It's not snowing. And I gotta go work, dadgummit. But I think tomorrow we might go up on the parkway. Go up to this place called the Devil's Courthouse. It's this big cliff. But we'll see. Hopefully it'll happen. Hopefully I'm not just talking out the side of my face. My car is so loud.
Say I'm clean. I'm clean.
It is too freaking beautiful to be working today. Too freaking beautiful to be working today. It is too pretty to be working today. This is the day to go kayaking and hiking. Too pretty to be working. That's Molly. Hey Molly. Come here, rabbit. This is Buddy. Hey, Buddy. Look at this little rabbit. He's not happy. Want to go back to your mom? There's his mom. Here. No, dog. You'll eat a rabbit. Alright, we're going to pull these babies out of here and see how many are in here. This is their mom, and they're all in that little box. There's 9 baby rabbits in here. Oh, he's mad. Alright, everybody's back home.